Hey, Learning Leopards, today is Thursday. It is May 14th, and it is time for sound work. All right, let's start with our rhymes. Today's rhyme is eek, thinking of words that end in eek. Beak, weak, seek, cheek, leak. See if you can think of some more. All right, let's do our beginning sounds. I say the word, you say the word. We say the first sound together. You ready? Odor, odor, oh. Locate, locate, l. Athlete, athlete, ah. Pilot, pilot, p. Effort, effort, eh. Reptile, reptile, r. All right, say the sounds, blend them together. Here we go. Loom, loom. I'd, tide. Ab, dab. Wrote, wrote. Ace, case. Big, big. Eel, meal. Tube, tube. Vine, vine. Puff, puff. Nice job. Ride the roller coaster. Figure out that middle sound. Here we go. Reel, reel. Eel. E. Hear that E in the middle? Same, same. Aim. A. Lock, lock. Lock. Ah, ah, ah. Bite, bite. Bite. I. Pan, pan. And hear that ah. Remember, it kind of comes through your nose a little when you do it like that. And said, said. Said, eh. Bone, bone. Bone, oh. All right, get your choppers ready. Here we go. I'll say the word, you say the word. We'll break it up into its individual sounds. Rope, rope, rope. Fig, fig. Ig, beat, beat, beat. Guess, guess, guess. Tuck, tuck, tuck. White, white, white. Pace, pace, pace. Ham, ham, am. Roll, roll, roll. Loon, loon, loon. All right, I'm going to say the end, add the beginning sound on, see what the word is. Ready? Aisle, aisle, add f, file. Un, add s, sun. In, add t, tin. Eel, add h, heel. Ave, add p, pave. Excellent. Now we're going to take that first sound off and see what's left. Here we go. Main, main without m is ain. Keep, keep without k is eep. Bell, bell without b is l. Nut, nut without n is ut. Soak, soak without s is oak. Excellent. Now we'll change that onset or that beginning sound and see what our new word is. So I say the word, you say the word, and then we'll change the sound and figure out the new word. Vote, vote, change v to k, coat. Keep, keep, change k to j, jeep. Wise, wise, change w to r, rise. Case, case, change k to b, base. Look, look, change l to t, took. Excellent. All right. Today with our letters and sounds, we're going to work on our speed. So we're going to go through just the letter names and then just the sounds. All right, here we go. Ready? Letters. T-H, R, K, X, B, O, W, L, I, Z, H, P, G, D, W-H, M-A-V, S-H, U-J, F, Q, N, E, T, C, C-H, S, Y. Nice job. All right, now let's go through our sounds. Here we go. Th, r, k, 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 ks. Beginning of the word, it might say z. B, b, b. Ah, ah, ah. Second sound, O. W, w, w. L. I, I, I. Second sound, I. Z. G, g, g. Second sound, J, J, J. D, D, D. Mm. A, A, A. Second sound, A. V. Sh. Second sound, U. J, J, J. Qu, qu, qu. Mm. Second sound, E. T, t, t. K, k, k. Second sound, S. Ch, ch, ch. S. Y. Can also say E or I. Excellent. All right. Let's take a look at our poem today. We're just going to practice reading today. Okay. We've learned a lot about looking for parts you know. And remember, yesterday we said it's okay if you don't remember all of those parts. You really don't need to in kindergarten, but we're just practicing that strategy of looking for parts and then blending those parts together. All right, let's take a look. And today we have our full poem with us. All right, here we go. Drop my pointer. Here we go. Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. So here's our new line today. And Jill came tumbling after. All right, let's try again. Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Excellent sound work today. See you tomorrow, kindergarten.